Horn, and it's story time. And the book that we're going to read today is called My Truck is Stuck. And this used to be one of my youngest son Justin's favorite book. And this book is written by Kevin Lewis, and the illustrator is Daniel Kirk. So, are you ready to read with me? Let's go. It says, my truck is stuck. And they have a big truck with the dogs, have a big truck filled with bones. And I see some mischievous prairie dogs over here, so make sure you watch for them too. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they go. Round and round. What's going to happen? Into a great big hole. Rotten luck. Can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind and the engines roar. But the truck won't go. Not 1 inch more. So it looks like they got stuck. And I hear some rhyming words in there. So this is a rhyming book. Make sure you're listening for those. Roars and more. Do those rhyme? Luck and stuck. Do those words rhyme? I hear a lot of rhyming words in here. Now look, I see some bones fell off. And I see some prairie dogs look like they're getting a treat. Make sure you keep an eye on the prairie dogs. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my truck stuck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. So they hooked up to the truck. Tug and tow. 2 engines roar. 1, 2. But the truck won't go. Not 1 inch more. What's happening back here? I see some more prairie dogs. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a van driven by a moving man. Are they going to help? Let's see. Rotten luck. Can't go. My truck is stuck. So they tie up onto the others, drag and draw, tug and tow. 3 engines roar. 1, 2, 3. But the truck won't go. It's going on back there. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep! Here comes a Jeep. Up a hillside, very steep. Does Jeep and steep rhyme? Those words rhyme. Are they going to help? Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. So they're going to tie up and help. Heft and haul, tug and tow. 4 engines roar. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the truck still won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a school bus full of youngsters. What a fuss. It looks like he's on the phone over there too, like he's calling someone. Rotten luck. Can't go. My truck is stuck. Lug and lurch. Tug and tow. 5 engines roar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the truck won't go. I don't know what's going to happen. Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure. To move it on its way, I just hook it up, and then you'll say, what luck! My truck's not stuck. Now, do you notice something in this picture? Does he still have a load of bones in the back of the truck? It looks like it's empty. Vroom, vroom. Now, move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. Was there a big load? No, there was no big load because all of the prairie dogs took all of the bones while he was stuck. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.